Forget everything you thought you knew about wearable tech, because Xiaomi just changed the game forever. For years, we've been waiting for a pair of smart glasses that don't look like a clunky sci-fi prop or weigh down your face like a brick. Well, the wait is officially over. Xiaomi has finally released their highly anticipated AI smart glasses, and let's just say, the Meta Ray-Bans might have some serious competition. We are diving deep into why these are being called the ultimate Meta killer and how they've managed to pack a 12-megapixel camera, massive battery life, and high-end AI into a frame that weighs less than your car keys. If you want to see if these are worth your hard-earned cash, stick around until the end because the battery stats alone are going to blow your mind. Welcome back to TechVibe, your home for the most authentic and deep-dive tech reviews on the internet. Today, we're looking at a product that feels like it's straight out of 2030. Xiaomi isn't just following the trend, they're trying to set it. These glasses aren't just a concept anymore, they are on the shelves and ready for the world. But do they actually live up to the massive hype, or are they just another overpromised gadget? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the design because, let's be honest, if they look weird, you're not going to wear them. Xiaomi went for a classic, understated wayfarer style that blends perfectly into any professional or casual setting. At first glance, you wouldn't even know there's a supercomputer hidden in the temples. They weigh only 40 grams. To put that in perspective, that's almost identical to a standard pair of high-end sunglasses. You can wear these for an 8-hour shift or a long flight without that annoying bridge pressure or tech fatigue behind the ears. But the real magic happens when you look closer. Tucked into the frame is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This is where Xiaomi starts throwing punches at the competition. While most smart glasses struggle with shaky cam or grainy footage, Xiaomi has integrated a surprisingly capable image stabilization system. It records in 2K resolution at a 4:3 aspect ratio, which is perfect for POV vlogging or capturing those blink-and-you'll-miss-it family moments. Imagine being at a concert or hiking a mountain and being able to record exactly what you see, hands-free, without ever pulling out your phone. The perspective is incredibly immersive because it's at your exact eye level. Now, let's get into the feature that everyone is talking about, the AI integration. These glasses are powered by the Qualcomm AR1 chip, which is specifically designed for these types of wearables. Xiaomi's AI assistant, Xiao AI, is the brain of the operation. In the US and international versions, this integrates seamlessly with your favorite voice assistants to handle real-time tasks. We're talking about real-time translation for up to 10 different languages. Imagine walking through a market in Tokyo or a cafe in Paris and having the signs or the waiter's voice translated directly into your ear in real time. It's like having a universal translator from Star Trek sitting on your face. But it goes further. The AI can actually recognize objects. You can look at a monument and ask, "What's the history of this building?" and the glasses will give you a summary. You can look at a plate of food and get an estimated calorie count. It can even scan QR codes for instant payments or information. This is where the smart glasses really starts to mean something. It's not just a camera on your face, it's a digital layer over your entire reality. For my audiophiles out there, you're probably wondering about the sound. Xiaomi uses open-ear bone conduction and directional speakers. This is a game changer for safety. You can listen to your favorite podcast or take a business call while walking through a busy city street, and you'll still hear the traffic around you. But here is the pro move, Xiaomi added a dual sound leakage protection system. This means that even if you're blasting music at 60% volume, the person sitting next to you on the train won't hear a thing. It's private, it's crisp, and the dual microphone array ensures your voice sounds crystal clear on calls, even in windy conditions. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the battery life. This is where Xiaomi absolutely destroys the competition. Most smart glasses on the market give you about 3 or 4 hours of mixed use before they die. Xiaomi claims, and real-world tests have confirmed, a staggering 8.6 hours of typical mixed-use time. That is more than double what the Meta Ray-Bans offer. If you're just using them for audio and notifications, they can last up to 24 hours of general usage. And when they do run low, a quick 45-minute charge gets them back to 100%. They even designed the charging cable with a specific angle so you can actually charge them while you're wearing them if you're in a pinch. So, who is this for? If you're a content creator, the POV 2K video is a dream. If you're a professional who is constantly on calls but hates wearing earbuds all day, these are a lifesaver. And if you're a tech enthusiast who wants the latest AI features without looking like a glass hole, these are the most discreet and powerful option on the market right now. Price-wise, they are coming in at approximately $280. For a piece of tech that replaces your headphones, your action camera, and provides a portable AI assistant, that is an incredible value proposition. It's competitive, it's sleek, and most importantly, it actually works. Xiaomi has proven that they don't just make great phones, they are ready to own the wearable market. The build quality feels premium, the software is snappy, and the integration into the global ecosystem is smoother than we ever expected. This isn't just a gadget, it's a glimpse into how we'll be interacting with the world for the next decade. Thank you so much for tuning into this deep dive on TechVibe. We put a lot of work into testing the latest gear to make sure you're making the right choice for your lifestyle. If you found this breakdown helpful, do us a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep bringing you these high-quality reviews. Also, let us know in the comments, would you wear these every day, or do you think smart glasses still have a way to go? I'll be down there responding to your thoughts. Stay tech-savvy, stay ahead of the curve, and we'll see you in the next one.